Hello everybody, here's my Mamaw and she's going to be making her old-fashioned lemonade, homemade lemonade for y'all today.
Yep. You can't get it in a Kool-Aid box or something to fix it, but we bought these lemons for our sunshine cake, so we're going to have to use them up.
Yeah, this is the homemade lemonade.
Yeah, this is a homemade lemonade. You take your lemon, you take the top off of it. We had this one the other day to do our sunshine lemon cake, so I'm going to finish it up. And then we got 4 more to put in here. You know, just take the lid off here.
So you just spin it on this thing and juice it, and
Yeah.
it's got seeds in there if you want to take the seeds out.
Yeah, I usually just leave them in there.
Yeah.
So I think we'll have to do another one. This one's done got all the juice out of it just about.
Yeah, and you could just squeeze it. If you don't have one of these things, you can just squeeze it directly over top of it and the juice will come out.
This is better myself. I thought it might be better using the juicer, but these are big old lemons here.
Yeah, the juicer sometimes helps to get the pulp out if you like pulp in it.
Yeah. Okay. We'll pour this in there. And then we're going to rub these like this so the juice will come out. And we'll
That helps to
squeeze
get the juice flowing in there.
Yeah. And then we'll cut the end off. And then we'll just squeeze it. See, oh, I'm about to get you up now.
You gotta watch your eyes for this recipe.
Yeah. Have you ever milked a cow? I used to milk cows all the time. I told my kids that you just get hold of them, pull it down, and squeeze, you know. Ooh, Mom, I ain't touching that. But yeah, me and Milton used to have a milk cow. You go every morning, every evening, you get a bucket of milk. We had milk everywhere. He liked buttermilk, I didn't. I didn't like fresh cow's milk. I like it pasteurized. But we had such a good cow. She just sat still and let you milk her. You know, I really liked her. She gave twins about every other year. The woman that sold us, we washed these lemons too. And the woman that sold us the, I'm gonna drop it a little bit, see if it'll come out more. Sold it to us. She said, if I know that, said I wouldn't have sold her to y'all. I don't think she ever had a cow and she was in the cow business. Did she ever have a cow to have twins?
Yeah,
Afterwards? Yeah. Yeah, I said afterwards, after she sold us this one, we had ours and we told her about it. She said, if I know that, I'd have never sold it to you. But then Mel said afterwards she had cows that gave twins. Yeah, her name was Daisy, and we have a lot of Daisies around here, don't we?
Yeah, my dog's name is Daisy for y'all that didn't know.
Yeah, and she was just a big old pet. I like a lot of lemons in my...
Yeah, the last couple you could slice them if you want to have slices in there, and you could just leave the slices in there. It gives it a little extra kick.
Yeah.
And then after you make your glass, you could take a slice of one of the lemons and you could put it in your on the side of your glass.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like putting slices in my lemonade. And then we're going to put some sugar in there, stir it up real good. And then we'll put some ice in there.
With the sugar, you could put however much you like, really. But I think 2 cups is about perfect. This is a little bit more than 2 cups. This is like maybe 2 1/4. But you could put 1 cup, half a cup, 2 cups, however much you want in there. It just depends how sweet you like it.
Yeah. I love lemonade in the summertime. Good glass of cold lemonade. I like the fresh lemonades. You can buy the Kool-Aid and stuff in it, but Country Time lemonade is pretty good. But I like the fresh lemonade. And the juice will come out of this when you stir it up too. Okay, let's put our sugar in here. gonna stir it up. And I like mine sweet too.
And that's about 2.5 cups of sugar.
Yeah, 2 cups, ain't it? Or 2 and
It was like probably 2 1/4.
So just stir it real good. Get it all stirred up. Get the sugar to melt.
If you use cold water, the sugar won't dissolve in there. So make sure to use room temperature water.
Yeah.
And you can put ice in it. We got ice here to cool it down afterwards. But at first, when you're mixing it, you have to have room temperature water.
Yeah, and you just stir and stir and stir. And then you put that ice in there, set it in the refrigerator. When it gets real hot in the middle of the day, get you a good cold glass of lemonade. Go out on the porch and watch the birds. I like watching my birds, my chickens, and all God's creatures. Now we're gonna put this ice in here and I'll stir it around some more. Yeah, I got me an ice machine. I like it. It makes its own ice. We're going to stir this right in here and make it cold. And then I'll try it to see how good it is. See how sweet it is. I had my my big blue pitcher yesterday, other day they went to the store and my milk busted. And I had to take my big pitcher and put my milk in it because it was busted on the side. But this has got a filter in it. I don't know if the seeds will come through that or not. It might not. So, and here's the glasses somebody sent us, some of them. So I said, well, let's try drinking out of this.
Here's a little lemon if you want to put that slice of lemon on the side of it.
Yeah. We're going to be fancy this evening.
Yeah, it makes it look a lot nicer too.
I like that.
And it gives it that little extra kick.
Okay.
This is a old-fashioned homemade lemonade.
I'm getting a little bit earlier. It's just spring now. But good fresh lemonade's good. Gonna have to make you some.
Let us know in the comments if y'all have made this before or if y'all plan to make it.
Yeah.
And if you do end up with seeds in there, you could either dip them out or you could just put like a coffee filter and run it through a coffee filter and it'll pull all the seeds out of it.
This is really good. I've been wanting some lemonade. So, y'all, have you some lemonade? It's starting to get hot. Well, let me see now. I just now lied. We had a big snowstorm just a little bit ago. It was real pretty and sunny today, and then all of a sudden a big snowstorm came. I mean, the wind was blowing, the snow did it amount to anything?
I think we had maybe a 1/4 inch on the ground.
But spring's on its way, though.
Yeah,
Then summer.
it won't be long till it's hot out.
Yep, that's right. So, and we'll see y'all in the next one.
Well, that's all for this one. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment, share us to Facebook if y'all have Facebook or if y'all want to.
Yeah.
Make sure to check out the merch shop. The link is in the description and show some support on there if y'all can.
Yeah.
But that's all for this one. We love y'all. God bless y'all. We'll see y'all on the next one.
Amen.
For any new viewers, new subscribers, anybody who hasn't seen it yet, here's the cookbook. I'll let Mamaw show it to you.
Yeah, it's got me and one of my chickens on it. And it says, my Mamaw's secret recipe and love. And that's what my secret recipe is, love. With gravy, it's coffee. If you know what I'm talking about. And then we open it up. It's got a plastic binding on it. It's made with some kind of shiny paper.
It's like a laminated almost.
Yeah, laminated almost. And there's a story how me and Corey got started in cooking on the YouTube. It started with my chickens. And it's got pictures of me and little Miss and me and Corey. And this is Corey when he was a baby with Pawpaw and with me. And there's me and Milton when we started our Sunday message. We did it outside last summer. And we had a hot dog community giveaway down at our church, and these were the people that helped me and Corey. And then the rest of it here, it tells the main dishes in it, what all we have in it. You see right here's my Mamaw's secret recipe. This tells the index of it. I can't read them little ones.
Yeah, it's main dishes, side dishes, and desserts.
Yeah, I don't have my glasses on it. But then you just go over through here and it shows the main dishes, and going over tells you the desserts and stuff, you know. But yeah, it's just got our recipes in it. Right here is a side dish. This is the, can't read the little writing.
It's cat head biscuit recipe.
Oh, cat head biscuits. That's my cat head biscuits. That's what one of the men called my biscuits in church, because I made them so big. And it's got
almost 100 recipes. I think it's got 98 recipes in it.
That's what I was going to look on that and see. Yeah.
There's 98 pages, so it's probably close to 98 recipes.
Yeah.
Because some of the pages are not recipes.
You can tell them how many pages on each one.
Yeah, it goes, there's from 9 to 44 is main dishes, 47 to 70 is side dishes, and then 73 to 98 is desserts.
So that's our cookbook. And we're selling them for $30 a piece.
Yeah, and we'll pay the shipping. We send it out to y'all, and we'll pay the shipping. We throw a tea and a few other extra things in there, like cards and bookmarkers and stuff. We put in there extra with it, and we pay the shipping and any shipping costs. So it's just $30 for the book, and that's it.
Yeah.
And you could send it in PayPal. Here's the information here. If you wanted to order one, then you could send it to the P.O. box here. You could send money order, a check, cash, whatever you want to send. That's up to you. But you send it to this P.O. box, and make sure to put your address on the inside of the card so we can read your address. And we'll send it out to you the next day after we get it. And if you don't have that stuff, if you don't have a way to send it like that, then, and you have PayPal or Cash App, if you want to send it this way, that's fine too. You could send it to this PayPal or this Cash App. And as soon as we get it, make sure to put your address in the order. Whenever you send the money through Cash App or PayPal, you could put your address there, and we'll send it out. I'll picture it, and we'll send it out as soon as we get it.